Hey, good morning, guys. Welcome to today's live analysis. Today is the 20th of March 2023, and something happened this weekend. Is you might have heard about the Credit Suisse being taken over by UBS, and so I'm just looking at the SPY and what's happening, but yeah, overall it is still balancing. Market is a bit flat. On the right, what you see is Dow Jones did fall, but currently the futures is trading a bit green. A bit flat. Same is the scenario with Nikkei. Hang Seng is the one which is a bit negative. So we might see the pre-open data to be a bit flat or to be negative. Compared to the rally which happened in the Friday's session. Okay, so if I just look at the volume, I would say the OI analysis. 40,000 is the level, so sorry, 39,500, this is the level which I'm seeing both call and put positions have been created, and 39,000 is acting as the level of support. So overall, what happened is Thursday we were in a balanced profile, in a balanced shape, and for me I shared that 39,000 is an important reference for me. Plus, there was a prominent point of control. So Friday we opened gap up. We tagged the point of control of the Wednesday's session. Once it tagged, that's where supply came in, and it immediately the supply, not immediately, but I was looking at some reversal at this particular prominent point of control, and this round number that is at 39,000 level. So so this is one of my A plus setups wherein it's POC to POC migration. So selling here, buying here, again buying here, and selling above this particular. So yes, there are certain opportunities which comes like this maybe once a month. But yeah, the one such trade can help you. It can be 10x 50x type of a trade, when once what's happening, and how the auction might develop. But yeah, that was my trade plan. But being Friday, I did not execute it. I'm still today also I'll be experimenting, I'll be observing, and currently what I'm planning to work on is this depth of market. This is the dome. So I have the access to fire. So I'll be just working with, not working, but experimenting with this and see, because the depth of market in BTC Bitcoin. So I use depth of market in Bitcoin, and couple of weekends is where I've been. You might have seen my. If you've not seen, just check out the BTC USD. Those live streams where where I've shared my how I'm using depth of market, and where I'm taking trades, how I'm taking trades, and how am I trailing, and all that stuff. But yeah, so today I think the time is 9:07. The pre-open data will be out, but I'm not bullish. I'm pretty neutral. My first level is 39,500, and I'm expecting some sort of balancing. But yeah, let's see. Where the pre-open is out. Okay, so the pre-open is out. It's about 39,512. It's in trading view. Let me see. Okay, so it is not updated on Go charting. That is okay. But so now, what should you expect? So 39,500. So let me bring in the OI profile back again, and 39,500, right, is the level where the price is gonna open. Yeah, this is that particular level. So plus this is also where the yesterday's, or not yesterday's, but the Friday's open is there. Okay, so my action plan for today is, do we see responsive selling or do we see responsive buying? So for me, this is an immediate level of support, and if the level is broken with one shot, then there are certain HVN. So one is this HVN at 39,200, where the supply would shut off. Also, if you see on the right, a lot of buying activity has happened. So I'll first wait for 39,500 to break and start observe at 39,400 and 39,300 because I'm looking for some responsive buying again. So what is going to happen is those who entered late, in the, or those who have taken their long call positions, they will be now underwater, and they will be booking their losses, right at the market open. So wait and watch is the game for today, plus a lot of new sentiment playing out as catalyst. So just be a bit careful, and I'll see, if I, but for me the immediately the reference is the 39,500 and 39,000. So this is that 500 point range which I'll be looking at. And here I'm seeing both call and both put, the positions are sort of equal, so I'm expecting some premium erosion today. And let those news, basically this Credit Suisse news, and let those play out. But these are the three HVNs or the levels where I'll be looking to see the overall price action. Okay. Because primarily, yes, we are still trading. So there were supply shut off at the October volume profile. We are heading higher. There are some trapped shorts. So I'm more looking for a balancing day today. That's what I'm currently prepared for. And lastly is from the weekly perspective, yes, we have broken above the VWAP, but on the monthly and the yearly, we are still, the overall trend is still down. We still need to get into the first standard deviation. Monthly, yes, there is some balancing, but yeah, on the yearly side, it's not. So a mix, there's no, like I would say not a mix, but overall, I'm expecting a choppy day, a range bound day today. And let me just go to the website. So 85 points, 86 points. So 39,500 is the reference, for me to observe. There was a retracement here, and then it moved higher. So yeah, this is pretty good. And from the order flow chart, if you see, right, there are buying levels. So there are some buyers at 39,600, and then there are trap shots at 39,400. So these are the two levels again, which I'll be looking. So what happens at this level at 39,600 on futures, and at 39, assume 39.4. Let me just give you the exact level. This level is 39,420. Okay, so 39,420 and 39,600. These are the two areas from the futures which I'll be looking from the in the first session, or in the looking from the pre-open data which has come out. And lastly, yeah, we have a monthly low. So 39,490 or 39,500 is the previous month low, the February low. So a lot of data points, to analyze, a lot of anomalies to analyze. So don't be in a hurry to trade. Just wait for the right setup to come up, and then you can take your trades. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Thank you, and I'll just end the session for today, and hope to see you soon tomorrow. Okay. Thank you again, and yeah, take care. Bye for now. The current time is 9:12, so market is gonna open in next 3 minutes. Yeah, and I'll be sharing my MTMs and other screenshots, or what I'm looking at in the YouTube post tab, or in the community tab. Yeah, thank you. Take care.